Welcome to another edition of Birdview tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to use the follower functionality. Let's say you have a specific role in a large project, and the work of other team members directly impacts your own. To stay in the loop and see updates to activities, you can use the follower function. Followers receive all the notifications that assignees do without having the activities added to their list of responsibilities. To follow an activity, go into its details and click the follow icon. Alternatively, you can click the three dots next to the activity name and select follow. To unfollow, simply click the icon again. Keep in mind that you will need to have the appropriate permissions to view the activity before you can follow it. If you'd like to review all of the activities that you are following, head to Filters and enable the following toggle and click Activities followed by me. You can also automate when you start following an activity. In your notification settings, you can choose to follow activities automatically when you create them, get assigned to them, post a message, or get mentioned on the message board. Thanks for watching. For more tips, visit the Birdview knowledge base. Happy planning.